To get them started.
Well, folks, welcome to the wide world of Watsy Staff Sports. Today we're here with Chris Chris Tapeson and Cade, and we're flying Chris's SU-26m electric-powered stunt plane. And today we're going to chase out some birds. You can't see them here in the footage, but they're over there on the power line, and Chris is going to fuck them up. And there's some asshole jogging over from the sergeant shacks. It's probably Dan, but he runs like a Welshman. So anyway, we've got a 5-knot crosswind. We're going to do something Chris calls the Flinch Test today. He's going to fly the plane at me and see if I puss out and get hit by a fucking plane in the face. And he's running, and he's not running anymore. Oh.
Okay, here we go.
And there she goes. And is there a zoom control on this?
There's the first one.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. Don't zoom.
I'm not.
Okay, I gotta go from the building towards you.
Okay. And how's Dan today? Watch your head, Dan. Jesus Christ! Not as bad this time. Oh, this is gonna suck dicks. Chris, don't fucking hit me, please.
I can't promise you that, man.
No guarantee.
Chris is in fact an asshole. That guy is an asshole. Jesus.
Oh wait, I can't do it. Hang on. It's kind of.
Did he build that thing on scratch? It's a kit. Right?
Here it comes, here.
I like that.
I don't like that. Quote of the day.
Now that feeling a banshee comes in for it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do a really fast one.
Alright.
I'll do it really
Yeah.
fast, man.
Uh-oh. Oh, that one sucked. I gotta go further back.
You gotta come in nice, long, low, and level.
Yeah, it's not trimmed right.
He's got a kind of like a controller that's got so you can train.
Somewhere over there. Oh shit. This reminds me of Nam.
Okay, one more.
Can we see you land it?
Yeah, I'll come in for landing. Which way's the wind?
It's coming this way.
From the east.
Buzz the sergeants and warrants.
That's getting close to that tree.